As Maryland's COVID numbers continue to rise because of the Delta variant, hospitalizations and deaths remain low among the vaccinated, but new research is showing vaccinated people can still pass along that Delta variant.
It appears that Delta variant is able to induce such a large viral amount into somebody that even if they are vaccinated, they can still transmit the virus.
We spoke with Dr. Scott Krugman, Vice Chair of Pediatrics with Sinai Hospital, about questions and concerns we are hearing now that the Delta variant has become an issue, starting with to mask or not to mask.
I think we need to be in a space somewhere between where we were in late May, early June, where it's like, hey, we're vaccinated, we're great, and where we were last fall, where it was, if you're indoors, you better mask.
That means even if you're vaccinated, if you're going to be around a group of people that you don't know, such as a grocery store or in large groups of people, masking is a good idea. Many parents are asking, what about my unvaccinated children under 12 years old? How can I protect them?
If I live with kids who aren't vaccinated or I live with somebody who's getting chemotherapy, I'm masking, right? Because I don't want to be the one to pass it along to them.
And kids going back to school. Dr. Krugman says it's vital for those who can get vaccinated to do so, and those that can't, wear a mask.
If you have a layered approach with all the adults vaccinated, all the teenagers vaccinated, kids in masks, adults in masks, you're going to reduce the risk of transmission. There will be some transmission, but you probably won't have those big outbreaks.
At Sinai Hospital, the good news right now is that they have no children in the ICU. The bad news, if you're following the trends throughout this pandemic in Maryland, he says usually they start seeing children in the ICU a few months after the initial spike. So he's expecting that we will see children in the coming months coming back to the hospital here. However, he said, again, way to prevent that, or at least keep those numbers down, is for parents to mask up. We're live in Northwest Baltimore tonight. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.